This cat literally cries for me to come stand here so that she can eat. This is what you need me for? Emotional support? Here. There's your food right here. Right here. Okay. Okay, here's your food. There you go. If I walk away, get down and come over to me. All right, come on. Here. Come on. There's your food, right there. I almost drove right by you. Hey, you're pretty. Listen, you better eat your sandwich.
Have a nice day.
You promise? You promise? What's on your face?
Well,
From what?
from
From your macarons? Yeah? Is this so cool?
yeah, but they're in Space Museum somewhere. We can't find
How fast are you going? All right, look at me and smile. Look at me with your eyeballs. Look at me, my face. Look at my eyeballs. Okay. Hey, both of you look at me with your eyeballs. 1, 2, 3. What do you think of these airplane seats? Yeah, cool.
I think they're gonna drop a bomb.
Did you say a long, long time ago?
Yeah.
Read the story.
One time it's like Elton on the ball, and then I always read that page. But not the normal pages.
Is this so cool, you guys? Boeing 737. Luna, you're not getting any popcorn. It's not for you. Hey, it's not for you. You're gonna choke. So I'm just chilling here with the dogs, and all of a sudden I hear like knocking and like scratching on the front door. And I was like, oh God, what was that? And so I go over there and I don't see anything out of the windows. And I was like, I immediately texted Rose and I was like, I feel like some crackhead is like trying to break. Oh God. What? What? Why are you guys, you're freaking me out. Is something over there? Okay, come on. Oh my God, I'm so scared right now. Hey! Come here. I don't see anything. Somebody walking All right, come on. Inside. Odin, Aspen, come on. Odin. Odin, come on. So anyways, I immediately texted Rose and I was like, you know that sound that's on TikTok? I'm so scared right now. You shut up. That is how I feel. So I don't know what to do now. Like, I don't want to... Aspen, leave her alone. I don't want to lock up the dogs because they need to protect me. But like, if I sleep up here, I guess I could leave them out of their crates while I'm sleeping up here. But if I'm sleeping up here, then I'm right by the door. If I'm downstairs, at least I'm like hidden. Oh my God, I'm so scared. This house is so big and it's great, but like, I'm scared. Why are you barking? You're freaking me out. What? 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 Why do you keep doing this? I have 2 hands for 2 puppies. Okay? You be nice to your sister, or else she's gonna get both of my hands, and you're gonna get none. Oh, she went away. Did you push her? Odin. The dramatics, really. That's mine. No, thank you.